Bryants at a model. Here's one right here. 3 blades. Straight cool. This is a Bryant. And here's the sticker. I don't know if you could see it. 2013. And this is a 3.5 ton. And I thought I saw a Perferred somewhere. And here's another Bryant, which is pretty much the same thing. And the sticker's over here for this one. 2013. Another 3.5 ton. And then another Bryant. This is a Bryant Perferred series heat pump. Here's a reversing valve. I don't know if you could see it. All of these have 3 blades. And over here on the sticker, don't know if you could see it. Yeah, you could see it there. 2010 or 2011 or 2012, I don't know. It says 11, 10, and 12. And this is also a 3.5 ton. So all 3 of these units are 3.5 ton. Perferred series heat pump. And like I said, all of 3 blades. These are pretty cool units. Yeah, I like Bryant's a lot. They are pretty cool. And there are the electrical boxes. All of them are Midwest. Wonder if one turns on. Because I've visited this model before, and only this one was running, but it was pretty loud, so it might scare me. I mean, it was quiet inside, but it was loud inside. It's pretty weird. And this is the farthest away from a window. You see? Like, I mean, there we go. One just turned on.